Welcome back to Yev's Builds. Today we are putting in the components that are in the oil pan in this V10, right? Meaning the Vanos oil pump and the main pump, the heart of the engine, right? We're gonna be putting those in, but before we do, I do wanna open them up just to kind of see and inspect all the components inside to make sure that none of them are scuffed and they're all good and, you know, have a good finish to them. Because if you've seen my previous videos, then you do know that this V10 right behind me did have 5 spung rod bearings and the crankshaft was completely shot. I had to replace that. If you haven't, then check out the previous videos. They're pretty interesting. Not to toot my own horn, but they're interesting. Yeah, let's open them up and let's just see what we can do. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna have to get new pumps, but let's just hope we don't have to go to that. Regardless, I'm gonna try to hit up Dr. Vanos because I think he has some rebuild kit for the Vanos pump at least, right? I'm gonna hit him up, but we'll go with the flow, so let's go. Let's open this up. I actually have new guides and everything, new tensioners. And after opening it up, and if it's all good, I'll just swap these out. Let's see, let's do this. Looks like we're good, really. See, because typically this ring bearing right here, it fails and it cracks. I've seen some videos where some people disassemble these and there's a fat just crack inside, which then, you know, if there's a crack, it wears these little guys out. And therefore these fail, but thank God this one seems to be good. I'll still try to find a repair kit. From what I heard, Dr. Vanos should have these. I've seen some guys change them out and they claim they got them from Dr. Vanos, but I don't know, I'll reach out to him. I'll definitely reach out to him and we'll go from there in terms of this rebuild. Yes, I think we're in the clear for this one. That is very nice. Let's just further inspect it then, I guess. Just look at that. No scoring on this. That is very nice. That is very nice. That's good news. That makes me happy. Thankfully, I don't need a new pump because this thing is like 1,500 bucks brand new, and that's ridiculous, man. Okay, that's good. That's very good, and couldn't be more stoked on this. All right, dope. Another good thing to check is to check these actual dowels themselves. If there's no scoring on these and just minimal wear, then in theory should be good. No scoring on any of these. That's very good news, mate. That is very good news. And I do have a new sprocket, which we will be replacing also, but I'll just wait for the kit. If I can order one, if not, I'll just send it out to Dr. Vanos himself and he'll rebuild it, hopefully. And yeah, should be good. Now we're moving on to the main oil pump. I mean, at this point, I don't even know what to expect, man, because if my crank was as bad as it was, and as it turns out that my Vanos pump itself was fine, completely fine, I don't know what to expect from this one. This is a hit or miss at this point. It's a 50-50 chance that it's gonna be good. I'm willing to find out right now. Let's go. Yep, there's a little O-ring. I'll replace this. I'll get this on order. Okay, what we're looking for here is score marks. Okay. This is just, looks like this is just regular wear. And hopefully I'm not wrong. Hopefully this is just regular wear. Let's check all this out. Now, moment of truth. If this thing is completely fine, we should be in the clear. If it's not, that's gonna be one expensive fix. It's coming out nicely. So what are we looking for? Scoring. Seems fine. These, as long as these are completely solid, which seems to be. Yeah, this is not bad at all. I've seen some where, man, they just have a complete just gash on one of these sides, on one of these corner pieces, right? And that can later on cause some serious damage. All this seems to be fine, honestly. All right, let's keep going through this. Very nice. Okay, other side. And we are now able to see this. If these have no scoring on them, then we're in the clear. So far, clean. There's a little bit here. Yeah. Wow. I'm very surprised of how good these are. All things considered. Considering this motor straight up was about to have a rod knock. These look great. There's a strange mark on this one, but it's not enough where I could feel it at all. These are all good. Wow, I'm really happy. That is very nice. I am very happy. All right, looks like I have dodged a bullet with this at least. Don't need a pump and don't need anything else except a little rebuild kit. And if I get it, I'll show it now. If not, well, here's the news. Well, 2 weeks later, we got the Vanos pump back from Dr. Vanos. Unfortunately, he does not sell kits to rebuild them on your own. He has to take the job, and regardless, it's about a $400 repair, which is not bad at all. He replaces the chain for you. He replaces the guides if you want. He replaces the sprocket if you want. I already had all that set up, so I told him not to do it, just to replace the main bearing inside and let me know if there's anything wrong with it, which there isn't. Thankfully, there's nothing wrong with it. Yes, we got it back, charged about $400 for it. So hit that subscribe button, because next video, we're gonna be actually installing the oil pumps and adjusting the lash on them properly. So stay tuned for that. Thank you, peace.